Hey YouTube, I'm Matthew with Strategic Technology Partners of Texas. Let's talk about a couple maintenance tips to keep your machine up and running. Your machine should tell you what percentage your supplies are at. Just because your drums are above 0% doesn't mean that they're always good. You never know. Just because there's no warning on your screen, it may be time for new supplies. Check your toners and drums. It's pretty easy. When you go inside here and you look at these, make sure that they're seated correctly. Make sure that nothing's broken on them. And when you're looking at your drums, or inside your machine in general, take a look around. If you have a big plume of pink or blue or yellow dust everywhere, there might be something wrong, and it might be time to call a service technician. And let's say you have a black streak on your page. Maybe when you pull the drum out, you can see it. A lot of times, you'll have a black ring around the drum. Or in some cases, I've seen where toner is just stacked up on top of the drum. It's a good idea to take a look inside and see what's going on with your machine. Another item you can check while you're inside here looking at your drums is your LED arrays. That sounds like a big word, but it's just a light that shines on the drum. All machines might not have the ability to clean that, but on our Xeroxes, we do. The cleaning rods are usually installed close to the drums. On these models, they're stored on the front door. They come off, slide the rod in, and slide it out. And that should clean you up and get clearer prints. Usually whenever you're cleaning these lenses, you want to do about 3 or 4 passes with the rod to make sure everything's nice and clean. One last thing that you can look for, it usually isn't going to have anything to do with print quality, but it might, is check your rollers. Make sure that if you are working on any rollers or anything inside your machine, to power it down first. Now your rollers can be way up inside the machine. Now these are pickup rollers. There's also all of these long rollers that are inside your service door. If you take a look at those and those look worn or damaged, it may be time to replace those also. A handy tip when it comes to rollers not picking up your paper properly is to just clean them. You can use moist towelettes or a lightly watered paper towel. Sometimes you can use denatured alcohol also, but start with water and see if that gets your machine up and running again. It's a little safer for the rubber. If any of these tricks don't work for you, it may be time to call a service technician. These tips will help you keep your Xerox machine running smoothly. For more info, go to our website or to our YouTube page and click that like and subscribe.